a.m. and I'm still awake, fighting thoughts I cannot escape. Everybody says you'll be okay, but pain still follows me every day. I got wounds I never show, heavy heart and a lonely soul. If these tears fall endlessly, Lord, stand with me. When the light feels far from me, and my knees get weak beneath, when I feel too lost to speak, Lord, stand with me.